Hey everybody, welcome back to iTech Grow, your one-stop shop for all things cloud computing. Today, we're diving into the world of Microsoft Azure, specifically Azure Virtual Machines. Get ready to level up your cloud game. Azure VMs are like building blocks for your cloud-based applications and workloads. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your cloud journey, Azure VMs provide a flexible and scalable solution for your computing needs. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's explore the world of Azure VMs together. In simple terms, an Azure Virtual Machine is like a virtual computer that runs in the cloud. It's similar to your personal computer, but exists in Microsoft's data centers. This virtual computer has its operating system, storage, and network resources. You have complete control over this environment. You can choose from a variety of operating systems like Windows Server, different Linux distributions, and even specialized images. Azure takes care of the underlying infrastructure, while you have the flexibility to customize your virtual machine to meet your specific needs. Cool, right? Azure Virtual Machines offer tons of benefits. First up, flexibility. You can easily adjust your VM's resources, like processor power and memory, to match your workload demands. Need more horsepower for a specific task? No problem, just scale up your VM. Another perk is control. You have full administrative access to your VMs, allowing you to install software, configure settings, and manage your applications just like you would on a physical server. This level of control is super handy for developers, testers, and businesses of all sizes. Section 4. Things to consider when creating an Azure VM. Before you jump into creating your first Azure VM, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First, think about naming conventions for your resources. It's important to have a clear and consistent naming scheme to keep your Azure environment organized. Next, choose the right resource location for your VM. Select a region close to your users for optimal performance. You'll also need to pick the appropriate VM size based on your application's requirements. Don't worry, Azure offers a wide range of VM sizes to choose from. And that's a wrap on Azure Virtual Machines. I hope you found this overview helpful. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to iTech Grow for more awesome cloud computing content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, happy cloud computing!